Good morning, students. Welcome to the science class for class 10th. Today, we will watch a demo video of a chapter from physics. The chapter is Refraction of Light. And this is the second part of the chapter, Light. Please ensure the video is clear and the audio is audible. Listen carefully to understand well. Refraction of light. The phenomenon of deviation of the light rays from their original path, when they pass from one medium to the other, is known as refraction of light. Cause of refraction. The speed of light is different in different media. The speed of light in air or vacuum is 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and in glass is 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 meter per second. When light goes from one medium to the other, its speed changes, which is the actual cause of refraction of light. Let us see the phenomenon of refraction through a diagram. We first take a glass slab, which is rectangular in shape. Now, a ray of light, called the incident ray, falls on this glass slab at a point, which is called the point of incidence. Now we draw a perpendicular line at this point, and this is the normal ray. This ray of light would have traveled along this dotted line if the glass slab would not have been there. As the ray of light enters the glass slab, it will deviate from its original path and will go this way. This is the refracted ray in the glass slab. Now we draw a perpendicular line at this point, and this is the normal ray. After refraction from this point, the ray of light enters the air and will follow this path. This is the emergent ray in the air. These are the final directions of all the rays of light. This angle is the angle of incidence. This angle is the angle of refraction number 1. This angle is the angle of refraction number 2. This angle is the final angle of refraction in the air. This angle is the angle of emergence. Incident ray. The ray of light, which falls on a transparent surface at the point of incidence, is called the incident ray. Refracted ray. The ray of light, which passes from one medium to the other medium, when it strikes a transparent surface at the point of incidence, is called the refracted ray. Normal ray. An imaginary ray, which is drawn perpendicular to the transparent surface at the point of incidence, is called the normal ray. This brings us to the end of the demo video of this chapter. We hope you enjoyed watching it and found it helpful. This sample gives you an idea of the quality and type of learning material that we provide. You can purchase the course by installing the app. The app details are given in the description box.